This year, we will not be hearing rains like we are hearing rains. Fire on buildings and marketplaces. No, this year is flood. This year is coming with flood. And anybody that's living in a flood, zone area, should be very careful and to take good care of yourself. Or when it is raining this year and you are driving, be very careful, because this year the rain is coming, serious storm and flood. And I came to tell you that because you are here and you are praying with us, whatever that will come or whatever that will go, you are safe and protected.
The National Disaster Management Organization says its emergency operation centers have been activated across the country to assist persons affected by heavy rains and flooding. This follows report of flooding in part of Accra after heavy rain submerged several homes and destroyed properties worth thousands of cedis.